Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide you a tutorial on how to manage or to download photos on Skype app on Android device. Well, knowing how to manage or to download photos on these apps can help you control your data usage and storage space. And also, by adjusting these settings, you can choose whether to automatically download photos and videos sent to you, saving mobile data and preventing your device storage from being filled up with media files. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the Skype app on your device. Well, after that, click your profile here. And then select Settings menu. Okay, so now you can choose Messaging menu. And then click to download photos. Well, so if you want to download any photos automatically, you can select the first or second option. But if you don't want to download photo automatically, so you have to select the third option. Well, that's the tutorial on how to manage or to download photos on Skype app on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.